Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid level on a 2011 F-150 EcoBoost. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To open a hood on your 2011 Ford F-150, the hood release is down here on the driver's side by the left foot underneath the e-brake pedal. Pull on that. And you lift it up until it hits the actual safety lock. The safety lock on this F-150 is directly below the symbol on the bottom bumper side, not the grill side. You'll have a lever right there. You're going to put it towards the driver's side and lift up. Your brake fluid is located in the brake master, which is in front of the driver's seat in the engine compartment, right behind the coolant container. You'll see the white reservoir, and the cap is a black cap, usually clearly marked. And right there it will tell you the type of brake fluid for this vehicle. It's .3. You can check for corrosion, make sure it's clean. This master is really perfect shape, nice and immaculate. Lock down the cover. Check your level on the side here. You have a max and a min, meaning minimal. You can rock it a little bit back and forth and you see the fluid level. This is right at max. It's ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.